Hi everyone, my name is Nick, and today I would like to tell you how to fix the problem with the launch of Primal Beast. So what to do if it doesn't start or doesn't work, or if you get a black screen when you start it. So you can do the following. First of all, let's open settings. If you use LD Player as me, you need to click on System Apps folder and open settings right here. Okay, now find here applications or apps and notifications. Click on it, and here you'll see the list with all your installed applications. And right here you can see the necessary app, Primal Beast Trial. Let's click on it. And first of all, of course, you can just uninstall this app and try to install it again, and maybe your problem will be solved, but I advise you to do the following. First of all, click on storage right here and just clear storage. Click on OK, but be prepared that you will be automatically logged out of your account in the game. So now you can go back and just try to launch the game again. Click on it, and in my case the game is running, and now I can just sign up or sign in. And if the method didn't work for you, then try to reinstall the game. And if this doesn't help, I advise you to change your device. For example, you can play on a computer like me, or just on another device. So I really hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, you can put a like under this video and leave your comment. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.